Hi and welcome to Equations of Circles 2. This is having a look at circles when their centres are not 0, 0. So to start with, here's an example. If I have a circle of centre to 5, 2, radius of 3, I would write the equation as x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 3 squared. That 3 being the radius. So therefore we can rewrite that as x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 9. That's all related to this, which is the equation that we need to start remembering. X minus a squared plus 1 minus b squared equals r squared, where the centre is AB and the radius is r. So, let's have a look at an example then. If I tell you the centre is 3, 1 and the radius is 4, if we go back to that and have another look, our centre was given to us at 3, 1 and our radius was given to us at 4. That means we can write down x minus 3 squared plus 1 minus 1 squared equals 4 squared. Or x minus 3 squared plus 1 minus 1 squared equals 16. Next example. This time we've got a negative number in there. So our centre is 4 minus 2 and our radius is 5. Looking back at our general formula again, we can then write x minus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 5 squared. We can rearrange that minus 2 as a plus 2. X minus 4 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25. Our last example, we've got a centre, we've got two negative numbers in it. And we've got a radius of 3. Look back at our general formula. Remember, we try to remember what that is. We can plug that in. X minus 4 squared plus y minus 7 squared is root 3 squared. We can write that as x plus 4 squared plus 1 minus 7 squared equals 3. Last example we've really got is this time you might be given a formula. So if I gave you this formula, x minus half squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 10. If we rearrange that back to our original formula, we can see that that means the centre of our circle must be a half minus 2, because that minus would tell us I need a half, that plus 2 would tell me I need a minus 2, and my radius would have to be the square root of that 10, so the root 10. Now we're lucky enough that that root 10 can't be simplified because really only 2 and 5 go into that. So there we go, equations of circles 2. What happens when you've got the centre of a circle that is not 0, 0? We could of course just remember this formula anyway, because if a and b were both 0, this would just give me x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So centre of equations number 2.